Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today's video is all about 15 Android settings you should disable right now. But before that, we will walk you through a comprehensive guide for the 15 Android settings you should disable right now. Here's what we will cover: Wi-Fi network connections, motion smoothness, natural screen mode, screen timeout, floating windows, visibility of password, offline finding, device protection, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Then diagnostic data, customized ads, activity control, Google location history, install unknown app, and location services. At number 1, Wi-Fi network connections. Do you want constant Wi-Fi network notifications on your Android? No. Go to Settings, scroll down and click Apps. After that, click Manage Apps and search System Wi-Fi Resources. Go to Notifications and make sure that this is toggled off. This will help reduce interruptions, especially in crowded public areas. Number 2. Motion smoothness. In order for your phone to be smooth, go to Settings, scroll down and make sure to click Display. For that, just click Refresh Rate. Make sure to click 90 Hz. If you have 120, then go for it. I will just have this 90 because it is the highest and it will give better results. 3. Standard Screen Mode. The next setting will enhance your display for easier viewing. In the Display section of Settings, scroll down and tap Color Scheme, then choose Standard. I prefer the Standard mode because vivid feels too intense for me. Standard mode offers a more balanced look. Number 4. Screen Timeout. Next, let us make sure your Android doesn't lock itself too soon. Go to Settings, scroll down and choose Passwords and Security, and then let us scroll down for a bit and choose Lock Screen. It says here, sleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. We recommend maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Number 5. Floating windows. Did you know there is something hiding on the sides of your screen? As you can see, we have this small line here. Let me swipe that. You can see some apps here. While they can be handy, if you don't use them, it is best to turn them off. They can cause constant vibrations and drain your battery. Let us switch off edge panels. Just go to Settings, scroll down, and choose Additional Settings. In the Special Features section, click Floating Windows. Click Sidebar and let us turn it off. At number 6. Visibility of password. To make your password not visible, just go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Passwords and Security. Click this Screen Lock, and as you can see the password of my phone. And to make that not visible, just turn off this option called Make Pattern Visible. 7. Offline Finding. Go to Settings, scroll down and choose Google. Click Find My Device and click Find Your Offline Devices. Make sure to choose this option. With network in high traffic areas only, this feature allows your phone to be located by other devices when offline, which can be helpful if you often misplace your phone. 8. Device Protection. This setting seems beneficial, but you should turn it off. While it sounds good, it actually slows down your Android and drains battery by constantly scanning. Go to Settings, scroll down and choose Google. Click Find My Device and click Find Your Offline Devices and just toggle this off. At number 9, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. To turn that off, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Location. Click Location Services and make sure that Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning are turned off. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning helps improve location accuracy and enables features like quick device discovery. By keeping these options enabled, your device can detect nearby networks and Bluetooth devices even when Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is turned off. 10. Diagnostic data. Go to Settings again, scroll down and click Privacy. Scroll down and click Usage and Diagnostic. Make sure to turn this off. Number 11. Customized ads. Your Android will use battery and mobile data collecting the information that gets sent to your device. To turn it off, go to Settings, scroll down and click Privacy. Scroll down and click Ads and click this Delete Advertising ID. If you turn this off, you will still see relevant ads. Major ad networks don't let low-quality ads into their networks, and you may actually see fewer ads because you are now a less valuable advertising target. Number 12. Activity Controls. Go to Settings, scroll down and click Google. Click All Services and scroll down until you can see the option Personalized using Share Data and make sure to turn all of that. turning off activity controls can enhance your privacy by limiting the data collected about your online behavior and location. At number 13, Google Location History. To turn off Google Location History on your Android device using the Google Maps app, open the app and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings and tap on Personal Content. Under Location Settings, find Location History and toggle it off. This will effectively stop Google from tracking your location history. Google saves a location history of everywhere you go on your Android. It is a little bit creepy and it drains your battery. At number 14, Install unknown apps. Do you want your apps to be able to download other apps on your Android without your permission? It is kind of like having a party at home and you invite somebody and then they invite all their crappy friends over and then all of a sudden your home's a disaster. It is actually kind of like that, and that's why we recommend turning off Install Unknown Apps for all of your apps. So go to Settings and search in the search bar Install Unknown Apps. Make sure all apps are not installed. And last but not least, Location Services. Let us discuss a major battery drainer on Android, Location Settings. To manage these settings, navigate to Settings, Location, App Permissions. Here, you can see which apps have access to your location. Apps that constantly track your location can significantly drain your battery. For instance, if you identify an app that doesn't need to know your location all the time, you can adjust its permissions. Set it to allow only while using the app. Choose Ask Every Time, which ensures it only accesses your location when you are actively using it. Additionally, consider turning off Use Precise Location, as most apps do not require this level of accuracy. Precise GPS consumes more battery, so using a broader location setting can help extend your device battery life while still providing necessary functionality for location-based services. And that wraps up our guide on the 15 Android settings you should disable right now. By turning off settings like Wi-Fi network connections, motion smoothness, natural screen mode, screen timeout, floating windows, visibility of password, offline finding, device protection, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, send diagnostic data, customize ads, activity control, Google Location History, install unknown apps, and location services, you can significantly improve your phone's performance, enhance privacy, and enjoy a more streamlined user experience. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please do not hesitate to drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there. Bye for now.